In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Amazon wedding gift registry. This process is straightforward and only takes a few minutes, so let's dive right in to make sure your wedding guests know exactly what you need and want for your big day. First, head over to Amazon.com. It's a place that needs no introduction. We all know it's a go-to for almost anything you might need, and wedding gifts are no exception. Once you're on the site, your first task is to sign in. Look to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the sign in button. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your account. If you aren't already logged in, this step is essential because you need to be signed into your Amazon account to create a wedding registry. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Amazon homepage. Now we need to get into the settings for your account. Above the search bar you should see Account and Lists. Hover over it and a drop down menu will appear with a plethora of options. We're focusing on setting up a registry, so from this list click on Find a List or Registry. Next you will see several registry and list options. Among these options you'll want to spot Wedding Registry. Click on it and it should take you to the wedding registry detail page. From this point Amazon will guide you in creating your list, ensuring it's perfect for welcoming those fantastic gifts. Now to get started, click on Create a Registry or Gift List. This step is magical because it will officially begin your setup process. Amazon will guide you through personalizing and organizing your registry, asking for key details about your wedding day such as your wedding date and location. They may also prompt you to provide shipping information to streamline the process for friends and family to send you gifts. With these steps, you're on the road to having a well-organized wedding gift registry that's easy for your guests to navigate. As a final tip, remember you can continually update your registry after its initial creation. Feel free to add or remove items as you reevaluate or discover new needs. And there we have it. In less than 5 minutes, you've created your very own wedding gift registry on Amazon. It's an incredible way to streamline the gift-giving process for your guests, allowing them to give the perfect gifts that you truly want and need. Thanks for tuning in today, and happy wedding planning.